from ACJC.
I'm Sarah.
I'm Michelle.
I'm Heather.
I'm Joshua.
And I'm Alice.
And today we're going to introduce our project titled The Code Switchers. So what is code switching? Code switching is being able to use Singlish and English depending on the appropriateness of our project. Basically, we're doing this project because we realize that many people feel that speaking Singlish has a lot of negative influences on Singapore. For example, one misconception is that Singlish decreases our proficiency in English, which we believe is not true based on our personal experiences of speaking Singlish. For example, I can perfectly speak English and Singlish depending on how formal the situation is. The next misconception is that Singlish will decrease or slow down the economic growth of Singapore. This is also not true. Look at how wealthy Singapore is right now.
Yep, and the thing about Singlish is that it has a lot of positive influences actually on our culture. It's like a mishmash of different cultures and languages, and I guess it encompasses what Singapore really is, a cosmopolitan city. It really influences us and brings all of us together as a community. Yes, it brings all of us together as a community. Like every generation has their own way, create their own style of speaking this beautiful Creole called Singlish, and it really holds them down as a generation and basically unites everyone and gives us this very unique way of speaking, of communicating with each other basically. And another thing is that it actually reflects our creative development of the country, according to linguists. That is, yeah.
Okay. So for our project entitled The Code Switchers, the main idea is to have a play where there are two characters and they are in a couple of different situations, both formal and informal, and you will see how they employ the use of standard Singapore English as well as Singlish or colloquial Singapore English. And you see by watching this play, you'll be able to observe how sometimes it's appropriate and sometimes it's not. So when it's right to use it and when it just comes out plain wrong. And our hopes in presenting this play to students is that by watching this play, they will really be able to realize how Singlish in the wrong context is so wrong that it just shouldn't be used.
Other than the play, we also have supporting ideas such as making pin badges and tote bags. These can be used to get us more publicity for our campaign, as well as for fundraising for any sort of props we need for the skit, or perhaps any other expenses that we might face later on in our project.
In addition to the above mentioned two ideas, we've decided to have a YouTube channel where we upload YouTube videos perhaps every fortnight to be able to explain to you and to demonstrate how to code switch in our daily situations. So we thought of the YouTube videos because we realized that young people like you watching our video now really enjoy watching YouTube videos, and it will really attract a mass audience instead of just for example like specific schools where we go for the assembly programs. So with the YouTube videos, we hope to be able to bring it closer to you and to be able to show you how to code switch in daily life. So I guess that's all from us. Till next time. Bye!
Bye!